What is going on, you guys? It's Tigger World here, back at it with another video, man. It's early in the morning. It's gonna be about 7 o'clock. Finna meet the boys, go to some car and coffee, and check that out, man. Enjoy the little ride, baby. It's just gonna be me and Nick now, right into the meet until we get there, and we see Maglia with the R7, baby. Yeah, man. Let me tell you how it's been for me, man. It's been bad, but at the same time it's good, so I don't really worry about the bad things, you know. But man, I was crazy to fucking ride, bro. I was crazy to ride. I couldn't wait. All fucking depressed and shit. Slip. Man, I was so fucking depressed at the house doing nothing, man. I just wanted to fucking ride, man. Man, I don't know how niggas not cold, man. It ain't cold, but I mean, you know, it's the morning weather. It's always like cold. I don't know, man, but yeah, man, I was crazy to get back on the road, get back to riding, hang out with the boys, get new friends, new experiences, man. I just can't wait, bro. Yo, I ordered a bunch of shit, guys. I'm telling you, a bunch of shit for myself on the bike, man. A whole bunch of shit we ordered. Whoa, not we, me. My wife finna get mad when all them bitches drop, man, because there's a lot of them. It is a lot of them. It's a great morning to be riding, man. I thought it was gonna be more of us, but shit, it don't matter. At least I'm riding with a 300 so I can keep up. You know, with them boys, them big boys, I can't keep up with them. Yeah, man, it's nice being out in the morning cruising with the boys, learning new shit, seeing new shit, meeting new people. I love riding, man. Look at this, man. Look at this beautiful Florida water, man. Beautiful, man. It feels great cruising around, man. Especially early in the morning, man. I like to ride during the day. I love riding during the night, but just during the day, it's just more for you guys to see, you know. During the night, there's not much things because it's nighttime, but all you can really see from my point of view is fucking brake light with my slow ass. Oh shit, man. Me and Nick were just fucking playing around. We're just fooling around now, man. Oh my god. It's always a great time when you out riding, man. It's always a great time. Fuck that. Good on gas? Yeah. For now. For now, yeah. I'm gonna go with the check out the cars, baby. Some nice cars out here. Oh, look at our R8. That shit look nice. Oh, we got the new Damn, they got the new ZX, I mean the 350. Yeah, I wish she'd park right here. Look at this, man. This is nasty.
Okay, you want to hide and okay, you do that. You know, especially when you get into 11 to 12.
Alright, you guys, me and the homie Nick. We're already leaving. Bunch of nice cars here, but man, it's time to leave, man. It's getting hot. That motherfucking sun is burning. He said, do a wheelie. Hell no, not yet. Look at that McLaren, the R8, man. Bitches look nice. Nice little mid-up, man. Finna head back, then I'm gonna go to my homie's house. Finna fix whatever I got going on with the clutch or the throttle. Guys, look at this nice ass Rolls Royce, baby. That's what I'm finna give my mom in a couple years. Watch. But anyways, Nick already went home. I'm going to George house where he can fix my motherfucking clutch cable. See if we can get that shit fixed, cause you see right now I'm giving it, if I give it throttle, the rev will go show up, but the bike will not move. Yeah, you guys. Stay tuned for another video, man. See you guys next time. Subscribe, comment, and like, baby.